Hello, and welcome to Music Impossible. My name is Professor Jim. Today we're going to learn about notes on the music staff. Now, a music staff looks like this. And the music staff is made up of 5 lines and 4 spaces. Let's count the lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lines. And in between those lines, there were 4 spaces. Let's count those together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5 lines and 4 spaces. Now, before we learn what notes go on those lines and spaces, let's take a look at this funny little curly-cue thing right here. What is that called? That's called the treble clef. The treble clef sounds like trouble, but it's pronounced treble. Can you say treble clef? Very good. Treble clef. Now, the treble clef has 5 lines and 4 spaces, just like any other music staff. Today, we're going to learn about the notes on the lines. That's right, there are 5 lines, so we're going to learn 5 brand new notes today. Now, our musical alphabet is kind of easier than the regular alphabet. It only has 7 letters. And it's the first 7 letters of the ABCs. Can you say the first 7 letters of the ABCs with me? Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Very good. There are no notes past the letter G in music. All you have to know are the first 7. Now, which of those 7 notes is the first note on the first line on our treble clef staff? Let's take a look. The note E is the first note on the treble clef lines. We always count from the bottom to the top, so the first line is the bottom line, and that note is E. And that note sounds like this. The next note on the second line of the treble clef staff is G, and that note sounds like this. The next note on the treble clef staff is B, and that sounds like this. The next note on the fourth line of the treble clef staff is a D, and it sounds like this. And the last note, the fifth line on the treble clef staff, is the note F. That's right, F. Unlike the spaces on treble clef which spelled the word face, that makes it kind of easy. We come up with another silly saying when we think and try to remember the notes on the lines of the treble clef staff. Most people know every good boy does fine. That one works. But my favorite is empty garbage before dad flips. That one makes me laugh. You can come up with your own silly saying to help you remember the lines on the treble clef staff. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next lesson where we start learning about the notes on a different clef. Not treble clef, but we're going to learn about bass clef. See you next time.